This session we're going to discuss inventory attributes. So from my main ribbon, I'm going to go to Setup, and we're going to go down to Inventory. So whenever we set up inventory in a system, and we set up our inventory cards, we're going to have certain information in those cards, such as manufacturer, size grid, things like that. Sometimes we want to have additional information, so we have what we call attributes. Attributes, you can add up to a total of 3 different attributes to an inventory card and use them to search. One thing you want to be careful with about attributes, if you're part of a multiple location enterprise and you set up an attribute at the enterprise level for your inventory, it does not go up to the individual locations. So you do have to set this per individual location at this time. Now in the future, there may be an update that allow you, and if that's the case, then it will let you know when we do our updates in your little notice when you log on to the system, and you can see what's new and if there's an update on that. So in order for me to create an attribute, I'm going to go to Add, and I need to put a little code and a label in here. So we're just going to do a simple one. We're just going to make us what we call an alternate part number. So this is going to give me the capability of having my standard part number on a part and an alternate number. I'm just going to copy and paste that in. Now the type of data is going to be a string box. String box allows me to put in numbers, letters, symbols, whatever I want. And again, I can always change this type. I can create lists. I can have a Boolean, which is a yes, no checkbox. Numbers only. Numbers with decimals, dates, or colors. So once I hit OK, I've added the new attribute. Now when I do this, if you want to see this whenever you're searching inventory, you really should go to your location settings. So we'll save this. Go to our location settings. Under the inventory tab, you can tell it to display it. So you just check the box, and again, you can have up to 3 here. Hit save. Now let's go pull up some inventory. So I want to go set up an alternate number on a oil filter. So let's go in search for oil filters. So we're just going to go in here and we're going to say let's go look for some oil filters. Search. Here's my oil filter list. Now if I want to set a particular number, again I can just go search it by part number. So let's go look for 10575. There we go. This is a Fram filter. Now if I just simply right click and do an edit or open the line up, now I'm going to have a new tab in here, Other. Here's where my attributes will be. So in this case, I may wish to put a Wix number or something in here. So I put in my alternate number, I hit save. Now you'll notice it will display because I told it to display it. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag it over. So I have my regular stock number and my alternate number. Now the nice thing about this, let's go back and just search oil filters. What if I want to search an alternate number? I can go in, type in my number, hit search, and there it is. Now if you are going to do a large group of items with an attribute, you can bring up a list, highlight whatever group you want to do, and do a batch update. I would not normally batch update a number, but maybe I want to do something else. I certainly can. I just click it, hit next, and then I can batch update whatever I like. So how does this get used off of the work orders? Go to Home, go to Work Orders, pull up a work order here. So here I need an oil filter for this vehicle. Now if I want to go straight to inventory, I can just right click, go to inventory. It'll pull up my listing of all oil filters based off of definition. I can open this up, tell it to look for my alternate. So if I know what number I'm looking for, I can certainly type it in, hit search, and pull it up. Now you'll notice where this is lined up. See, so this is a different screen, so all I got to do is just bring that over, and now it'll remember. It'll keep it there. I just simply click, hit draw, put it on the work order. If I go to my cataloging, and I did set it up to where I can pull suppliers and inventory at the same time. This really becomes handy because now I'm looking at this catalog from the supplier. There's my WIX number. Now because that's not my primary number, it's not going to tell me I have it in inventory. But now I can just go to inventory, go look for my alternate number, and find it. And then I simply click, hit apply, and it puts it on the work order. So alternate number works off of work orders or in inventory searching capabilities. You can make up to 3 attributes, and you make them for whatever you like. And that's how attributes work.